Vaccination kit Newcastle, Lesotho, Gumboro IBD, fowl pox. Full schedule detail below $28. Vitamins and electrolytes Vitalite or similar. Critical during first week and after vaccination stress $12. Antibiotics preventive. Oxytetracycline or enrofloxacin. Use only under veterinary guidance. One course budgeted $15. Bedding slash with shavings 5 bags deep litter material. Deep litter reduces ammonia, disease, and heating costs $10. Brooding lamp and bulb heat lamp for chicks. Maintain 32 degrees Celsius in week 1. Reduce 3 degrees C/week until ambient temp $18. Nest boxes 3 units DIY. Needed from week 18. 1 box per 5 hens minimum to reduce broken eggs $12. Miscellaneous / contingency zip ties, disinfectant spray, notebook, basic tools $15. Total startup investment $410. Reserve fund buffer for emergencies $1.90 remaining.